everyone, welcome to Saka Services. We wish you a very happy learning. What's that great thing about Pivot? Revolutionize your data analysis game with pivot tables in Excel. Transform raw data into actionable insights effortlessly. Condense complex information, adapt analyses in real time, and accelerate decision making. Pivot tables are your shortcut to visually appealing, user-friendly data exploration. Say goodbye to information overload and hello to strategic clarity. Dive into the magic of pivot tables, where data becomes your ally in the pursuit of success. I will pass on the request to our Microsoft specialist, Mr. Prakash, to take you through the process of building a pivot.
Let me explain you the process of creating a pivot. You see on my screen an Excel sheet having different columns in that Excel sheet. It basically each day work of the teammates, and each teammate collects so many links and from different accounts. So the objective is every day I want to see one report by each teammate how many URLs collected and from which are the accounts. To do that, I can go to create one pivot. I can click insert, click on pivot, select the data range on top of which you want to build the pivot. Click OK. Here you design, you want to see all your teammates row by row. So if you have 6 teammates, you want all the 6 teammates in 6 rows. So you can see the row option, bring that teammate and drop in row. You can see all these teammates in a row. And next you want the count of URLs. You can see the URLs. You want each person how many URLs. So you want to sum it up, count it. Take this URL and drop it here. You can see the count, and you want to see these URLs are collected from which accounts. I want in columns. Those are in columns. So click on collected from and drop in columns. You can see from which all accounts those URLs have been collected. And most important is you can, if you double click on any of this number, all the records of those many records will come. For example, if you want to double click, say 80, you want to double click, simply double click 80. You can see those 80 records are available. It shows 81 because adding the column. Let me take it out. To summarize, to design the pivot, you have to go to the option insert pivot. You have to choose the data, and once you choose the data, the type pivot table fields opens up, and you have 4 areas here: filters, columns, values, rows. If any field you want to drag and drop to the rows, that will be showing in the pivot rows. Any column, any field you want to be accumulated, like summed up, you can drag it and drop in the value section. And if you want anything to show in columnar fashion, you can drag those field and drop in columnar fashion. If you want any filter to be applied, even you can drag and drop the field on top of which the filter should be applied. Suppose I don't want blank, simply you can select here and uncheck blank, so the blank will go away. So this is how you can build one pivot very quickly, and it's very useful when you have large data sets.
Thank you for visiting One Saka Academy. If you find the session useful, please like, share your comments and do subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming learning sessions on Excel.